welcome to Rhyes Bakes. For today's video, I will be showing you how I make my hybrid buttercream frosting. It is a half unsalted butter and vegetable shortening, as this creates creamier and richer buttercream frosting. Yes, this is American buttercream, but not too sweet. So let's begin. Cream your butter and vegetable shortening together for 3 to 5 minutes. Thanks to vegetable shortening, the buttercream is more resistant to heat compared to just unsalted butter alone. Add icing sugar in small batches. Just beat it in a medium speed to avoid splashing of icing sugar everywhere. Add the vanilla extract, add the whipping cream gradually. Beat the frosting until the mixture is nice, fluffy, and creamier. Your buttercream is now ready to frost your cake. This is a very creamy, delicious, richer, and pale white frosting. You can also color your buttercream, make a gorgeous flowers, and clean, smooth finish cakes. So that's all for today. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And don't forget to ring the bell button to notify you on my new upload videos. Bye-bye!